two elements. The multiplication value of first two elements is the third element. Then the multiplication of second and third one is the fourth element. Then the multiplication of third and fourth element is our fifth element. So 16 into 128. So that is 2048. So the next element is 2048. Then the next series 240. Then they are asking the term. Then 120, 40, 10, 2. Okay, so in this series, we are coming from back because here we are having lowest value now. So 2 into 5, it is 10. Okay, 10 into 4 means it is 40. 40 into 3 means it is 120. 120 into 2 means it is 240. So which means here 240. So 240 into 1, so that is 240. So our prediction is correct. So the next one, the number series 1, 2, 6, 7, 21, 22, 66, 67. Okay, so here, see here, these two values are continuous, these two values are in sequence, these two values in sequence, these two values in sequence. Okay, which means we should predict which pattern it follows. Okay, first number, we take it as 1. Then with 1, we are adding 1. So this one gives 2. Then 2 is multiplied by 3 means we get 6. Then 6 plus 1, it is 7. Again we are multiplying. 7 into 3, it is 21. Then add one value. 21 plus 1, it is 22. Then 22 into 3 means it is 66. Then 66 plus 1 means it is 67. So which means the next term is the multiplicative value of 67 and 3. So it is 201. So the next element is 201. Then 9, 17, 31, 57. Then they are asking the sequence value, then 205. So here also we should predict the different pattern, how it forms. Okay, so first element is 9. The second element is 17. So for that, first I'm trying to multiply 9 by 2. So 9 into 2, it is 18. But here we are having 17, which means 18 minus 1, 17. Then again multiply 17 by 2, it is 34. Then here we are having 31, which means we have to subtract 3 from it. So 31. Then 31 into 2, 62. But here we are having 57, which means we have to subtract this one with 5. So 57. Then multiply 57 into 2, it is 114. Then here we are having, so see the pattern here, 1, 3, 5. So we are subtracting each element with the odd numbers. So the next odd number is 7. It is 107. Then 107 into 2 means it is 214. 214. Then the next odd number is it is 9, which means this one is 205. So our prediction is correct. So the next element is 107 after 57. So the next one, 445, 221, 109. Then the next element, don't know. Then 25, then 11, then 4. So here also the sequence follows some pattern. Okay. 445. So minus 3 divided by 2. So 445 minus 3 means it is 442 divided by 2. So which gives 221. Then 221 minus 3 by 2. So 221 minus 3 means this one 218 by 2. So this one gives 109. Then the next element is 109. So 109 minus 3 by 2. So 106 by 2, that is 53. So the element will be 53 here. Okay. For confirming that one, we are doing the calculation on rest of the terms also. So 53 minus 3 by 2. So 50 by 2. So 50 by 2 means it is 25. Then 25 minus 3 by 2. So which means this is 22 by 2. So that is 11. Next one, 11 minus 3 by 2. So 8 by 2. So that gives 4. So the right answer here is 53. Then the next one, 3, 12, 27, 48, 75, then 108. So here so we don't have idea how to find the value. So that's why we are finding the difference. So the difference between first and second term, it is 9. So this one is 15. Then 27 minus 48, it is 21. Then 75 minus 48, it is 27. Then 108 minus 75, it is 33. Then here we don't get the same value. In this level, again we are finding the difference value. So 15 minus 9, it is 6. 21 minus 15, 6. 27 minus 21, 6. 33 minus 27, 6. So which will be the next term? Will be with difference 6 only. So 33 plus 6 means this one is 39. Okay. Then here in the first level, the difference between the term, sixth term and the next term will be 39, which means add these two numbers, 108 plus 39. So the value is 147. Then the next term, 0, 6, 24, 60, 120, 210. So what will be the next term in the series? So here also we are trying to find the difference. 6, 18, 36, 60, then 90. So we don't get the same value in this level. So again we are finding the difference. So 18 minus 6, it is 12. 36 minus 18, 18. Then 60 minus 36, 24. Then 90 minus 60, it is 30. So in this level also we don't get the same value. So which means again we are trying to find the difference. So 18 minus 12, it is 6. 24 minus 18, 6. 24 minus 30 is 6. So which means the difference between the previous levels elements are 6. So 30 plus 6 means here 36. Then 36 means the difference between the 90 and the other term is 36. So which means 90 plus 36, it is 126. Then we add 126 with 210. So this is 336. Then the next one 5, 6, 19, 44, then 93. So here the values are increased without any pattern. Okay, so we are trying to find whether here any square values are involved or not. Okay, for that first we are going to find the difference only. So 5 to 6 means it is 1. So we don't know the difference between 6 and x, then x to 19. Then 19 to 44 means what is the difference? It is 25. Then 44 to 93 means, so the difference is 49. Okay, see here 1 is the square value of 1, 25 is the square value of 5, then 49 is the square value of 7. Okay, so here we are having 157. So in between we should have two values. Okay, so we are guessing those two values. Okay, if I am taking 2 in between means 2 means 2 square, so that is 4. So I am adding 6 plus 4, 10. Then find the difference. 10 minus 6, it is 4. Okay, so which means this is 2. The next one, here we are having 10, here we are having 19. So 10 minus 19, it is 9. So this is square value of 3. Okay, so here our prediction is correct. Okay, so these questions are asked in the previous sessions in the NET exams 9, 11, 15, 23 and 39. So what will be the next element in the series? Options are 71, 65, 44, 68. Okay, for that we are going to again guess the pattern. So 9, so this is the first element. The second element is 9 plus 2. Okay, then the third element 11 plus 4, 15. Then the fourth element 15 plus 8, it is 23. Then 23 plus 16 is 39. So see the pattern here. In every element we are adding 2, 4, 8, 16. So this one based on the 2 power 0, which means 2 power n pattern. Okay, so the first one, it is 2 power 1. So 9 plus 2, it is 11. Then second one 4 means it is 2 power 2. So 11 plus 4, it is 15. Next one is 15 plus 2 power 3. So here 23. Then the next one 23 plus 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 means 16. 23 plus 16, it is 39. Okay, which means the next element is 39 plus 2 power 5. So 39 plus 2 power 5 means it is 32. So it is 71. So the right answer is it is 71. Then the next one, find the odd one out from the following. 5, 7, 12, 17, 19, 23. So just look the number. So here the other numbers. 5 is the prime number. 7 also prime. 17 is prime. 19 is prime. Then 23 also prime. So here 12 only not prime. So which means, so that is the odd one here. So all other terms are prime. So 12 only is the non-prime number. Then the next one. So this one also find the odd one out. 1, 5, 14, 30, 50, 55, 91. Okay. For this question, first one. So keep it as it is. Then second one, 5. So 5 means it is the square value of 1 square plus 2 square. So this one makes 5. Then the third element is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So 1 plus 4 plus 9. So it is 14. Then 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. So 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16. So this is 30. Okay. Then 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, then 5 square. 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25. So 14, 30, 55. Okay, so we don't get the value 50 here. So which means 50 is the odd one here. Okay, so we check the remaining one term too. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, then 6 square. So 30, 55, 55, then 61, then 91. Okay, so which means 50 is the odd one here. Then the next question, 0, 6, 24, 60, 120, then x. What is the value of x? So here I'm going to find the difference. So 0 to 6 means it is 6. Then 6 to 24 means it is 18. Then 60 to 24 means it is 36. Then 122 minus 60 means it is 60. So again find the difference. 12, 18, then 24. Then again find the difference 6. So this one 6. So which means the next element should be in the difference 6. So 24 plus 6 it is 30. Here 60 plus 30 it is 90. Then here 120 plus 90 it is 210. Then the next one 0, 8, 2, 4, 48. So what will be the next element? Okay. So here also we are finding the difference 8, 16, then 24. In this level we don't get the same value. So which means again find the difference. So 32 here, then 32 plus 48. So this is 80. So the answer is 80 here. Then the next one 4, 12, 28, 52. So what will be the next element? Here also find the difference 8. So this one is 16. Then this one, that 24. Again find the difference. It is 8. It is 8. Which will be, the next element is 32 here. Then we are adding 52 plus 32. So the answer is 84. So these questions are asked in the previous NET exams. Then the next two terms of the progression are 60, 30, 20, 50. Options are 10 and 5, 4 and 2, 10 and 8, 12 and 10. Okay. So here they are asking the next two terms. So take the first one. So 60 divided by 1 means it is 60. Then 60 divided by 2 means it is 30. Then 60 divided by 3 means it is 20. Then 60 divided by 4 means it is 15. So which means 60 divided by 5 means it is 12. 60 divided by 6 means it is 10. So the answer is 12 and 10. Then they are given one sequence. If 5472 greater than 9, 6342 greater than 6, 7584 greater than 6, and 9237 greater than P, then P is. So 5472. So 5472. So 9, 16, 18. Then again add these two digits. So this one gives 9. So likewise find the other combinations too. So 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 2, it is 15. Then 1 plus 5, it is 6. So it is 6. Next, 7 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4. 12, 17, 24. So 2 plus 4, it is 6. So here also 6 working. So the next one, 9 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7. 11, 14, 21. Okay, so 21 means 2 plus 1, it is 3. So the P value is 3 here. Then the alphabet series. So the English alphabet contains 26 letters. So the first half. So A to M is the first half. So this one completes the first 13 letters. Then the second half, it starts from the 14th letter. So it's this from N. Okay, from N to Z. So that is the second half. Okay. So this is the letter position in forward alphabetical order. So letter position in backward or reverse alphabetical order. So A1, B2, C3, D4, E5, F6, G7, H8, I9, J10, K11, L12, M13, N14, O15, P16, Q17, R18, S19, then T20, then U21, B22, W23, then X24, Y25, then Z is 26. Okay, then the letters in reverse order. So the letters in reverse order for A 26, B 25, C 24, then D 23, E 22, F 21, G 20, H 19, I 18, J 17, K 16, L 15, M 14, N 13, O 12, P 11, Q 10, R 9, S 8, T 7, U 6, V 5, W 4, X3, Y2, Z1. Okay, we are having different values. So here they are given the pattern. hyphen xx hyphen yx hyphen yy hyphen xy hyphen xxy. Then they are given 4 options also. So for solving this type of questions, first just count the number of letters in the given sequence. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So in the sequence, we are having totally 16 characters, including the hyphens. Okay. First, 16 means we can take 4 characters or 8 characters. Okay. So first I am taking 4 means, see here, x hyphen, then y, x hyphen y, then y hyphen xy, then hyphen xxy. Okay, I'm going to guess it. Here in the first position, in other 2 sequence, we are having y. So which means here also we are having y. Then here we are having x. Okay, so here also we are having x. Then here also x in other places. So here we place x here. Then here x. So the answer will be y, y, x, x, y. So which means our guess is correct because here they are framing the pattern for 4 letters. Okay. Then the next one, xy hyphen z hyphen xxyx hyphen px hyphen yxz px hyphen yxz px. So just count the number of characters in the given sequence: 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 13, 16, 18, 19, 20, 24. So the total number of characters in the given sequence is 24 characters. So 24 characters means what are the possibility? 4, then 6, then 8, 12. So these are the possible patterns here. Okay. Suppose if I am taking 4 pattern means, see here, x, y, hyphen, z. Okay, then hyphen x. See here, in the second place, we get different value. So which means the pattern 4 is not applicable here. So next we are trying 6 pattern, which means 6 letters in the first x, y, hyphen, z, hyphen, then x. So 6. Then x, y, x hyphen, px. Okay, then hyphen, y, x, z, px. Next hyphen, y, x, z, px. So this is the right one because all the remaining characters set correctly. Okay, here y means in second position in all the terms we are having y. So here also we are having x. Okay, so which means here we are having 3 p's means this one also p. Then this one z. This one x. So this one x and x. So the answer is x, p, z, x, x. So this is the right answer. Then the next pattern, x hyphen p hyphen y hyphen hyphen p z y hyphen hyphen p z y. So count the total number of characters. So 6, 6, 9, 10, 12, 15. So 15 means, so the possibility is 5, 5 only. So x hyphen p hyphen y. So the first 5 characters in the first line, then hyphen hyphen p z y hyphen hyphen p z y. Okay. So in the third position, we are having P. Fifth position also having Y. So in the fourth position, it is Z. Then here we can easily guess it is X. Okay. But for the second position, we don't have any previous value. But we can guess the answer from the given options. Okay. So see here, the second letter will be Z in our answer. Okay. So in the first option, we don't have second character Z because here we are having Y only. Here X only. So which means this is the right answer. So which means here we are having Y. So Y Z, X Y and X Y. So this is the correct pattern. Then the next one, hyphen X hyphen Y hyphen XY XX hyphen YXY hyphen XYYX. So just count the characters 3, 6, 9, 10, 14, 18. So 18 means 6 possibility, then 9 possibility. First we are taking 6 letters. Hyphen X hyphen Y hyphen X. Then Y X X hyphen Y X. Then Y hyphen X Y Y X. So here in other two places Y means here Y. In other two places X means here X. So here in the third letter for other position we are having X means here also X. So here Y, here Y. So the answer is YXY, YX. This is the right answer. Then the next one, in a certain language, if wrong is coded as G, N, O or W, then how will right be coded? So the options are HIRGT, SJHIU, GHIRT, then THIGR. Okay, so wrong. Okay, many made a mistake here. How? Because they are given G, N, O or W. So many of us thinking like this. So they are given in the reverse manner. Okay, G, N, O or W. But it's not correct. Here they are following the ascending order of the letters. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G. After G, N comes. After N, O comes. After O, R comes. After R, W comes. So they are following the ascending order of the alphabets. So likewise in right, so alphabetically which one comes first? It is G. So after G, GH, GHI, then R and T. Okay, so the right answer is it is GHIRT. So next one, if snow is coded as 7100, then wall will be coded as. So here they are following the position value of the alphabets. So S, N, O, W. So what is the position value of S in the forward order? It is 90. N is 14. Then O is 15. Then W is the 23. So just add all those values. 19 plus 14 it is 33. 33 plus 15 it is 48. 48 plus 23 it is 71. So they are added to 0 for confusing us. Okay, so the answer is 7100, this one. So likewise we are going to code at wall. So W plus A plus L plus L. So the position value of W is 23, then A is 1, then L is 12, again L is 12. So just add all the values 24, 25, 25 plus 23, it is 48. So with 48 add two zeros. So the answer is it is 4800. Okay. The next one, in a certain language, CAP is coded 61. Then how will pen be coded? CAP. So if we are taking the forward position, means it is C means it is 3, A means it is 1, then P means it is 16. So 16 plus 3, 19, 19 plus 1, it is 20 only. But here we are having 61. So which means here we have to follow the reverse positional value of the alphabets. So C means it is 24. A means it is 26. Then P means it is 11. So 24 plus 26 plus 11 means, so this one makes 61. Okay, likewise we are going to code the term pen. So the P value is 11, E value is 22, then N value is 30. So 11 plus 22, 33, 33 plus 13, it is 46. So the answer is it is 46. Okay, then the next question, in a certain language, Puma Sham means water is life. Samna Zo means glass of water. Chi Zoma means life of fire. Which of the following represents pi in that language? Options are Q Ma Chi Sam. Okay, so Q Ma Sam. So water is life. So we don't know which term belongs which one. Okay, so we are just writing. In the second one, Samna Zo. So which means glass of water. So just to see here which term is common in both one. Water is life, glass of water. So which means water is common in the two sentences. Then see the coded sentence too. In the coded sentence, which one is common in the both sentences? So that is Sam. Sam. So which means water means it is Sam. Okay. Then the next one, Chisoma. So in Chisoma, and the this is second sentence, this is third sentence now. So in second and third sentence, which one is common? So of is common. Then predict which one is common in second and third in the coded sentence. So that is zo. So which means of means zo. Then here in the second sentence, we are guessing za, zo. The remaining one is na. So which means glass means it is na. Then compare the first sentence and second sentence. So in first and second sentence, which one is common? Life. Then look at the coded sentence too. In coded sentence, which one is common? It is ma. Okay. So now come to the third sentence. So life means ma. Of means zo. Okay, remaining one is chi. So that is equal to pi. So pi is chi. Here in the questions they are asking about the pi. So that is chi. Okay, then the next question, in a certain language, tears is coded as 18. So how will be water coded? So the options are 25, 22, 18 and 20. For this also we are going to find the position value of alphabets. T means it is 20. Then E means it is 5. A means it is 1. R means it is 18. Then S means it is 19. So sum all the values. This one gives 25, 26, 26, then 34, then 44, 44, then 63. But here we are having 18 only. So we just thinking differently now. So 2 plus 0. I am going to add these two numbers. 2 plus 0. Then this is the single one only. I am taking as it is. Then this one also. Then this one. 1 plus 8. Then this one. 1 plus 9. So 2 plus 0 is 2. It is 5. It is 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. Here 1 plus 9, it is 10. Then again at this number 1 plus 0, 1. So finally add all the values. So 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 1, it is 18. So we get 18. So likewise we are going to put water. So what is the position value of W? It is 23. Then A is 1. Then T is, it is 20. Then E is 5. Then R is 18. So 2 plus 3 means it is 5. Then 1. 2 plus 0, 2. Then 5. 1 plus 8, it is 9. So add all the numbers. 6, 8, 13. Then 13 plus 9, it is 22. So the right answer is, it is 22. Then the next question, if radar is coded as star, question mark, star, question mark, then as symbol, and door is coded as question mark, percentage, percentage, as symbol, then dam will be coded as. Okay, so for this question, they are given options, question mark, ash, percentage, then asterisk, ash, question mark, then asterisk, ash, slash, then question mark, ash. Okay, so first they are given radar. So in radar we are having 2R, then 2A. So here also we are having symbols 2 star or 2 question mark. So from this one we can conclude or maybe question mark or star, then A maybe question mark or star. So the remaining is D. So which means D is ash here. Okay. Then in the second one, door. In door, so the equivalent coding is question mark, percentage, percentage, then hash. We already confirm for D value, it is hash. Okay, so here also we confirm that one. So D means it is hash. Then we are having two O's. So which means O is percentage. Then R is question mark. So from here, we can conclude our value is question mark. Previously, we are having the chances. So, or maybe question mark or star. So, from this step, it is evident R is question mark. So, which means A is star. Okay. So, D means it is ash, R means question mark, A means it is star. Here they are asking dam. So, D value we know. So, that is ash, A value is star. So check the combinations. So in the first combinations, no appearance of star. So it is not the answer. In fourth also, we don't have ash and star. It is not the option. In second and three only, we are having star and ash. Okay, here we are having question mark, then slash symbol. Okay, so previously we know that question mark is for R. Okay, but here we are having M. So which means this one is also not the option. So the right one is this one. Star, ash and slash. Okay. Then the next one, consider the following letter series. What is next of ACF, EJ, JIKN, then MOR. So A, then skip one letter C, then DE, then F. Then here we are starting the next one. E, then skip F, then G, H, I, J. Okay, so skip two letters. Then this one, I, J, K, L, M, N. So next one, M. So M, N, O, P, Q, R. So Q. So next element will be Q. So skip R, S, T, U, V. So which means the next one is QSB. Then the next one. So this question is asked in the previous NET exams. So in the following letter series, what is the next term? ABCF, BCD, CDEH, DEFI. So options are EFIJ, EFGI, EFGJ, DEFJ. Okay. So here ABCF, then BCDG, then CDEH, then DEFI. See here, the second and third letter of the previous one is the first and second one. So here also CD, then CD, then DE, then DE. So which means the next one is EF. Okay. So we predict the first two letters. So the next one. So after ABC, so we are having DE. So two letters here, B, C, D, E, F. Here, C, D, E, F, G. So here, F, G, H. Okay. So two letters gap only. So A, B, C, then E, F, G. So after G, two letters means it is H, I, J. So the right answer is it is E, J, H, H, E, F, EFGHI. So the right answer is it is EFGJ. So next one, in the coded language, if animal is written as limna, then circle will be written as. Options are ELR, CIC, ELC, RIC, ERL, CIC, ERC, LIC. So here animal is written as lime NA. See here the middle two letters, keep it as it is. So the only change, this one comes here, this one comes here in the reverse order. So AN means it is NA, AL means it is LA. So limna. So likewise we have to write the circle. So keep the third and fourth letters as it is. Then change the CA as IC, LE as EL. So the answer is EL RC IC. So next one, in the following letter series, the next term is BDF, EGI, HJL. So one letter is missing, B, C, D, T, E, F. Here E, F, G, H, I. Here H, I, J, K. Okay. So what will be the next one? So K, L, M, N, O. Which means KMO. Okay. So these are the topics covered in the mathematical reasoning. If you people having doubt means you can ask. Harshita ma'am. Harshita ma'am, Aurita.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Thanks a lot, ma'am. All the participants. Paper one, like training is over. The session is over for paper one. So within next 2 minutes, we'll start with paper two. So if you have any queries for paper one, you can raise your hand and unmute yourself. If anyone has any queries for next 2 minutes, we will have paper one queries. Yes, Kumte Moyuddin. You can unmute yourself, sir. Hello. Yeah, you can unmute yourself and you can ask a query.
Otherwise, post your query in the Telegram group, sir.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, the best option if you have any queries, you can post in the Telegram group. There, madam can help you out in solving your queries. Ma'am, we can start with paper two, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, over to you, ma'am.
Okay. Just 2 minutes, ma'am. We'll back.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hello everyone. Screen is visible.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. We start the session. So today we are going to cover the topic fuzzy set. So what is fuzzy? So fuzzy means it is ambiguity. So when the fuzziness happens, when the boundary of piece of information is not clear cut means, so the fuzziness occurs. Then the classical set theory allows the membership of the elements in the set in binary terms. So which means zeros or ones. In classical set theory, we are using 0 or 1. Okay, but the fuzzy set theory permits membership value valued in the interval 0 to 1. So which means the value between 0 to 1 means 0.1 or 0.2, like that. Okay, so the fuzzy set theory and classical set theory. So the major difference is the classical set theory allows the membership of the elements in binary terms, so which means 0 or 1. The fuzzy set theory permits the membership function valued in the interval from 0 to 1. Then example, words like young, tall, good, high. So these are fuzzy. So we don't have any single quantitative value which defines the term young. Some people told that the age 25 is young. Some other told the age 35 is young. So which means here clean boundary. Okay. So the age 35 has some possibility of being young and usually depends on the context in which it is being considered. So this is the example for fuzzy. So the words like high, young, tall, good or high are fuzzy. So we don't have any quantitative value for measuring this height only tall, this height only, this character only good. Then this age is only considered as young. We don't have any single quantitative value, okay, for defining the words like young, tall, good or high. So these terms are considered as fuzzy. So in fuzzy, we are going to see the fuzzy set operation first. So the first one in fuzzy set, it is union. So for finding the union between two fuzzy values, we are taking the maximum value. Okay. So for example, we are having one set A, so that is x1 0.5, x2 0.7, then x3 0. Then B, it is x1 is 0.8, then x2 0.2, then x3 is 1. So A union B means, so which is maximum in both values, 0.5 or 0.8. So 0.8. For x2 again compare 0.7 and 0.2, which one is maximum? It is 0.7. Then x3 0 and x3 1. So which one is maximum here? It is 1. So which means the union means the maximum value between the membership values. Okay. Then the next one is intersection. So intersection means the minimum value. We have to consider the minimum value. So we are taking the same example only. So the minimum value is for x1, the minimum value is 0.5. Then x2, 0.2 and 0.7, which is minimum 0.2. Then x3, 0 and 1, which one is minimum? It is 0. So this is the intersection operation in fuzzy. So for intersection, we find the minimum value. For union, we find the maximum value. Okay, so these two are important operations. So next one is complement. So complement means a bar x is equal to 1 minus a of x. Okay, so here the a value is x1 0.5, x2 0.7, then x3 is 0. Then the a bar is here x1 1 minus 0.5, then x2 1 minus 0.7, x3 1 minus 0. So which means the values are x1 comma 0.5, x2 comma 0.3, then x3 comma 1. So this is the complement value. Okay, we'll see the problem now. So the question 1, let A be the fuzzy set being given as below with the universe of discourse x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What will be the intersection of A with complement of itself, A intersection A bar? Okay, so for that they are given the A value 0.4 by 1 plus 1 by 2, then 0.5 by 3, then 0.8 by 4. So these are the membership values. Okay, so here A intersection and A bar. So here two operations are involved. The first one is complement. Complement of A we should find. Then intersection. Okay, so here 0.1 by 4, 1 by 2, 0.5 by 3, then 0.8 by 4. Okay, see the universe of discourse now. So this is very important because we consider only the 4 elements only. But here in universe of discourse, we are having 5th and 6th. But we don't have any membership value. But in calculation, we should consider this one. So we are going to write this one as 0 by 5, then 0 by 6. So this is A now. Now we are going to find the A bar. So A bar means 1 minus 0.4, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0.5, then 1 minus 0.8, then 1 minus 0.5, 1 minus 0 by 6. So this one becomes 0.6 by 1, 1 minus 1 it is 0, 1 minus 0.5 it is 0.5, then 1 minus 0.8 means it is 0.2, then 1 minus 0, 1, then 1 minus 0, 1. Okay, so now the A bar value is 0.6 by 1 plus 0 by 2 plus 0.5 by 3, then 0.2 by 4, then 1 by 5, then 1 by 6. So we complete the complement operation. The next one is about the intersection. For intersection, we should consider the minimum value in both. So A intersection A bar. Okay, so this is A bar. Here we are having 0.4, here 0.6. Which one is minimum? It is 0.4. Then 1 by 2, here 0 by 2. Which one is minimum? It is 0 by 2. Then 0.5, 0.5 minimum is 0.5. Then 0.8, 0.2. So here minimum 0.2. Then 0 and 1, which is minimum 0 by 5. Here also 0 by 6. So usually we don't represent the 0 value in the result. So ignore these three terms. So which means A intersection A bar becomes 0.4 by 1, 0.5 by 3, then 0.2 by 4. So the answer for A intersection A bar is this one. I hope everyone understand this one. Then one more sum. So one more sum. We are taking the same problem but for union. The same sum, let A be the first set being given as below with the universe of discourse x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What will be the first set created after union of A with complement of itself? So that is A union A bar. So the A value is 0.4 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 0.5 by 3, then 0.8 by 4. Okay. So this one also involved two operations. Those operations are union and complement. Okay, first, as usual, find the complement. Already we found the complement in the previous one. So this is the same one now. So I am taking the A bar value as it is 0.6 by 1, then 1 by 2, then 0.5 by 3, then 0.8 by 4. Sorry. So this is 0. 0, then 0.5. So 0.2. So this is 1 by 5. This is 1 by 6. So A union A bar. So which means here we are taking the maximum value 0.4 and 0.6. Which one is maximum? So the maximum value is it is 0.6. Then 1 and 0, which is maximum, it is 1. 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Then 0.8, 0.2, maximum is 0.8. So here the maximum is 1, here 1. So A union A bar value is 0.6 by 1, 1 by 2, 0.5 by 3, 0.8 by 4, then 1 by 5, then 1 by 6. So this is the value of A union A bar. So the next important one is difference. How to find the difference in fuzzy. Let A and B be the two fuzzy set being given as below with the universe of discourse x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the fuzzy set created after difference of B and A given as B bar A? A is equal to 0.4 by 1, 0.3 by 2, 0.6 by 3, 0.9 by 4. Then B is equal to 0.2 by 1, 0.7 by 2, 0.6 by 3, then 0.5 by 4. Okay. So here They are asking the difference. Usually in fuzzy, they are representing the difference with the help of this operator. Okay, so the difference of B and A, it is represented using this symbol. So what is the meaning of this one? B bar A means it is equal to B intersection A bar. So remember this one. So the difference of B and A means B intersection A bar is the meaning. Okay, so which means here also this one involves two operations. Those are intersection and complement. Okay, so here we are going to find the complement for A. So that is A bar 1 minus 0.4, then 1 minus 0.3, 1 minus 0.6, then 1 minus 0.9. Okay, so 1 minus 0.4 means 0.6. 1 minus 0.3 means 0.7. 1 minus 0.6 means 0.4. 1 minus 0.9 means it is 0.1. So this is A bar value. Then we are having B value. So B intersection A bar is equal to, so intersection means we should consider the minimum value. So 0.2 and 0.6, which one is minimum? 0.2. Then 0.7 and 0.7, it is 0.7. Then 0.6 and 0.4, which one is minimum? 0.4. 0.5 and 0.1, which one is minimum? 0.1. So the difference of B and A is 0.2 by 1, 0.7 by 2, 0.4 by 3, then 0.1 by 4. Okay. So this is the way to find the difference of two elements in the fuzzy set. So the next two important terms in the fuzzy set are support. So the definition is support of A is set of all points X in capital X such that X member function of A should be greater than 0. So support means we have to take the points so whose membership function is greater than 0 only consider for support. Okay, the next one is core. So core is set of all points X in capital X such that so whose membership values is equal to 1. So if the membership value is equal to 1 means it is core. Then the next important term is normality. A fuzzy set A is normal if its core is non-empty. So this one is related to the core value. If we are having the value in the core set means it is normal. Then the next one is crossover. So crossover means the point which membership value is equal to 0.5. So the membership value should be 0 means it is support. Sorry, should be greater than 0 means it is support. So if the membership value is equal to 1 means it is core. Then the membership value is equal to 0.5 means it is crossover. So the sum is, let A be the fuzzy set being given as below with the universe of discourse x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What will be the core and support for the fuzzy set created after complement of A? So this one involves the complement operation. Then we have to find the core and support. See here, we are going to complement. See the universe of discourse. So in universe of discourse, here we are having 1, 2, 3, but in universe of discourse, they are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which means the A value is so this is the A value. Now we are going to find the A bar means 1 minus 0 0.5, then 1 minus 1, then 1 minus 0 0.3, then 1 minus 0 by 4, then 1 minus 0 by 5, then 1 minus 0 by 6. So which means the A bar is, it is 0 0.5 by 1. 1 minus 1 means it is 0. 1 minus 0 0.3 means it is 0 0.7. 1 minus 0, 1, 1, then 1. So this is the A bar value. So here we have to find the core value. Okay. So what is the definition for core? So the membership value is equal to 1 means, so that is core. Here the membership value is 1, 1, 1. So which means core of A bar is equal to 4, 5, 6. Okay, because here the membership value is equal to 1. So core of A bar is equal to 4, 5, 6. Then support. So support of A bar means, so what is the definition for support? The membership value should be greater than 0. So which means, so this one is not come, other terms come. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the support of A bar. Okay. So according to the definition of core, the membership function is equal to 1. So which means it is core. If the membership value greater than 0 means it is support. Okay. So in the result, we are having 5 elements values greater than 0. So here we are having 0 means it is not applicable for support. So we are not consider this one. So the answer is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the core of A bar is, it is 4, 5, 6. Then the fifth one, let A and B are two fuzzy sets being given as below with the universe of discourse x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the crossover points for the fuzzy set created after union of A and B? A is 0 0.5 by 1, 0 0.4 by 2, 0 0.5 by 3, 1 by 4. B is equal to 0 0.3 by 1, 0 0.3 by 2, 0 0.2 by 3, 0 0.5 by 4. Okay. So here we have to find the union, then crossover. So first we are going to find the union of A and B. Union means we have to consider the maximum value. So A union B. So which one is maximum here? It is 0 0.5. In this one maximum is 0 0.4. So in this one maximum is 0.5. So in this one maximum is 1. Okay. So next crossover. So what is the definition for crossover? So the membership value whose value is equal to 0.5. So that is crossover points. Okay, so crossover is 1 comma 3 because here and here we are having the value 0.5. Okay, so the answer is it is 1 3. Okay, then the sixth question, let A and B are the two fuzzy sets being given as below with the inverse of discourse x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the crossover points for the fuzzy set created after intersection of A and B? So the previous sum is about union. This one is about the intersection. So the A value is 0.25, 0.4, 0.5, 1. B value is 0.3, 0.5, 0.6 and 0.8. Okay. First, we should find the intersection of A and B. So intersection means we have to consider the minimum value. 0.25, 0.3 which is minimum 0.25. 0.4, 0.5 which is minimum 0.4. 0.5, 0.6 which is minimum 0.5. 1 and 0.8 which is minimum 0.8. This is A intersection B. Okay, then crossover point. So crossover point is equal to 3 only because so the membership value is equal to 0.5 for the third one only. So the crossover point is 3 here. Okay, I hope everyone understand how to find the support, core and crossover. So the next one is about the fuzzy distance. Okay, fuzzy distance. So what is the formula for finding the fuzzy distance? So this is the formula for finding the fuzzy distance. Here del. So this is the difference between the corresponding generic values of two fuzzy sets for a generic variable. So the XA and the XB are the generic variables of fuzzy set A and B. So the formula for finding the del is XA minus XB. Okay. Then for all XA dot XB should belong to the X dot this is the formula. Everyone noted this one. We'll see the sum, then we will get the clear idea how to find the fuzzy distance. Here, how many values of del will occur for the fuzzy distance set d of a comma b between the fuzzy sets a and b as given below. A is equal to 10, 0.3, 30, 1.0, 50, 0.7. Then B is equal to 13, 0.1, 15, 0.4, 17, 1.0, 18, 0.6, then 20, 0.1. Here they are asking the del value. Okay. So what is the formula for calculating the del value? XA minus XB for all XA dot XB belongs to X dot member function of A dot member function of B. Okay. So which means we have to take the distance of one point to each and every point in another set. Okay, first 10 means we have to take the difference with 13, 15, 17, 18 and 20. Okay, then 30 means again 30 with 13, 30 with 15, 30 with 17, 30 with 18, 30 with 20. Then 50 also 50 with 13, 50 with 15, 50 with 17, 50 with 18, then 50 with 20. Okay, so we have to find the distance between each and every point with another set. Okay, so 10 minus 13 first. Then 10 minus 15. Then 10 minus 17. Then 10 minus 18. Then 10 minus 20. Then the next one 30 minus 13. 30 minus 15. Then 30 minus 17. Then 30 minus 18. Then 30 minus 20. Then for 50, 50 minus 13, 50 minus 15, 50 minus 17, then 50 minus 18, then 50 minus 20. Okay, so we have to find the distance between each and every point. Now calculate the distance. So 10 minus 13, it is 3. It is 5. It is 7. It is 8. Then 10, 17, 15, 13, 12, 10, 37, 35, 33, then 32 and 30. So these are the difference value. So check the duplicate values. Any redundant value here. 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 17, 15, 13, 12, 10. So 10 occurs 2 times. Okay. So which means, so this one we don't consider in the calculation of distance. So here they are asking how many values of del will occur. Okay. So actually it is 15. But after removing this duplicate, so the answer is it is 14. So the del value is 14 now. Okay. So del means the difference between the corresponding generic values of two fuzzy sets for the generic variable. Okay, so this is the way to find the fuzzy distance between two fuzzy set. Okay, then the next problem is the continuation of this problem only. So the next problem, the same thing only. The only difference it is here they are asking what will be the maximum membership value of the distance. So in previous one they are asking the how many values of del. Here they are asking the what will be the maximum membership of the distance set. Okay. So for that we are keeping the columns del XA, XB, then membership value of XA, membership value of XB, then minimum value. Then maximum value. So check the formula which is given by earlier. So in the formula, membership distance of A comma B of del is equal to max of min of. Okay. So first we are consider the minimum value, then we are taking the maximum value. Okay. Then here we have to write the distance we found in the previous problem. So del is it is 3 first. Okay, for 3 the XA value is it is 10. Then XB value is 13. Then the membership value is 0.3, here 0.1. So the minimum value among 0.3 and 0.1 is it is 0.1. Okay, the next value. So the next distance value is it is 5. So 5 means it is 10 and 15. So the membership value of A is 0.3, then B is 0.4. So which one is minimum here? 0.3. Okay. Then the next distance is it is 7. So 7 means 10, then 17. 10 means it is 0.3, then this one is 1.0. So which is minimum 0.3. Then the next distance is it is 8. So 8 means 10 and 18. So 10, 18. So 0.3 and 0.6. So minimum is 0.3. Then the next distance is it is 10. So 10 means it is 10, 20. 0.3 and 0.1. This is 0.1. Okay, then for the next distance, 17. 17 means 30, 13. So 1.0, 0.1, the minimum is 0.1. So the next distance is, it is 15. So 15 means 30, 15. So 1.0, 0.4. So which is minimum? 0.4. So the next distance is, it is 13. So 13 means it is 30 and 17. 1.0 and 1.0. So the minimum is 1.0 only. So after 13, 12. So 12 means 30 minus 18. So 30, 1.0, 18 means it is 0.6. The minimum is 0.6. Okay, then so after 12 we are having the distance 10. Okay, so 10 means it is from 30, 20. So 30, 20 means 30 is 1.0, 20 means 0.1, the minimum is 0.1. Then the next distance is, it is 37. Okay, so 37 means, so it is 50, then 13. So the value is 0.7, then 0.1, which is minimum 0.1. Then after 37, we are having the distance 35. So 35 means 50, 50. So 0.7, 0.4, which is minimum 0.4. Then 33. So 33 means 50, 17. So 50 value is 0.7, 17 value is 1.0. So which is minimum 0.7. After we are having 32 and 30. Okay, so 32 and 30. So 32 means it is 50 and 18. So 50 is 0.7, 18 is 0.6, which is minimum 0.6. Then 30. So 30 means 50 and 20. So 0.7 and 0.1, minimum is 0.1. So these are the minimum values. We found the minimum values. So the next step, we have to find the maximum value among it. So which one is maximum here? We are having 1.0. So which means the answer for this question is 1.0. So the maximum membership value of the distance set is 1.0. So I hope everyone clear how to find the distance and the maximum membership value also. So in the previous sum, we learned how to find the distance. So in this sum, how to find the maximum membership value among the distance set. Okay, for that we have to consider the minimum value, then we have to take the maximum value among those values. Okay, then the next one. So the next question, so that is also connected to the previous problem only. What will be the membership value at del is equal to 17 for the distance set d of a comma b between fuzzy sets a and b given as below? They are asking the membership value of del equal to 7, which means distance equal to 17 means, okay, what is the membership value? See here we are having the distance 17. Okay, 17. What is the membership value here? It is 0.1. So the answer for this question is 0.1. So they can ask the membership value for the individual distance also. Okay. Then we move to the alpha cat and strong alpha cat. So first, the definition for alpha cut. So the alpha cut of the fuzzy set A is defined by A alpha is equal to X, the membership value of X greater than or equal to alpha. Okay, then strong alpha cut means so the membership value greater than alpha. So alpha means they are given alpha cut value in the problem. So if it is greater than or equal to alpha cut means it is alpha cut. Strong alpha cut means if the value is greater than alpha value means it is strong alpha cut. Okay. So here the sum. So they are given the universe of discourse value. So it consists of only 3 elements. Then in A we are having 0 0.3, 0 0.5 and 0 0.1. Sorry, 1. Then they are asking the alpha cut values. So alpha cut value means A 0 0.5. So which means according to the definition of alpha cut, the membership value is greater than or equal to this value means so that is alpha cut. Okay, here they are given 0 0.5. So we should consider the 0 0.5, then the value above 0 0.5. So which means these two only coming for A 0 0.5. So that is 2 comma 3. Then the next one is 0 0.2. 0 0.2 means so the membership value should be greater than or equal to 0 0.2. So which means these three comes, which means 1, 2, 3. Then A1 means the value should be greater than or equal to 1. So which means this one only come. So that is 3. So this is for alpha cat. Okay, then strong alpha cat. Strong alpha cat value is 0.5. So which means the membership value should be greater than this value 0.5. So we are taking this one 0.8 only. Okay, so the answer for A strong alpha 0.5 is it is 3 only. So one more example. So it is A minus 2 0.5, then 3 0.3, then 0.5, minus 3 0.3, then 2 0.5. So find A strong 0.5. So for this one, no value satisfied this condition because the membership value should be greater than 0.5. Okay, so which means this one is the empty set. So I hope everyone understand the concepts of fuzzy set. If you people having query means you can ask. Harshita ma'am. Rushikesh sir. Audience, you people are having any doubt? संपलं का ग? काय काय घेतलं? फौजी नंतर काय घेतलं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, over, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, we can. Yeah, okay. So, any doubts, audience? Do you have any doubts? If you have any doubts and anything to ask, please kindly raise your hands. The recorded sessions will be available on YouTube channel. It will be uploaded today evening, and the link is already shared in the message. The same link you have to use for watching the videos. Yeah. Any doubts? We'll just wait for 2 more minutes to solve your doubts. Kindly raise your hands if anyone has any doubts. You can post your feedbacks. How was the session today? You can post your feedbacks in the chat box also. And the online, both the quiz will be sent on the Telegram channel as well as now in this chat box. Okay, ma'am, I don't think so. Okay, anyone is having the doubts. So you can post your queries into the group also Telegram channel. So tomorrow we shall start the session sharp at 10:30 as we started today. 10:30 to 11:30 will be your paper one, and 11:30 to 12:30 will be paper two. If we have any queries, if the topic is vast, so we may continue till 1 o'clock tomorrow. Okay, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am, for the wonderful session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So today's session is over. Tomorrow we shall meet at 10:30 sharp. Just 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. So today's session is over. We declare that today's training session is over. We shall meet tomorrow sharp at 10:20 and we'll start by 10:30. Thank you all. Thank you everyone for coming forward and attending the sessions. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.